Hello, everybody. I am going to show you how to create the clubs on Salesforce. Once you're done populating the dates and times that you'd like, you're going to go ahead and do this hopefully by the end of today or first thing on Monday. So I'll do a week this first week just to get that going, and then I'll have you do um, the next 2 weeks worth. And when you're done, please send me the link, and that way I can just check it since it's our very first time doing this. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the Clubs tab. If you don't see that in your Salesforce, you can just let me know and I can get that set up for you. So you're going to click New, and there's three choices: Club, Coach Orientation, or Family Orientation. So for this example, I'm going to pick Coach Orientation. This is a really important step because you need to make sure to be creating on the right record type. So you'll hit continue. So we're going to start filling out the information for the club. So for the title, we want you to put Coach Orientation and then the date. So I'm going to do an example for today. So I'm going to have it be Coach Orientation 2/19/21. And then you're going to pick the day of the class. Today is Friday. The start date for this is today. Capacity, I'm going to put at 25. Start time, I'm going to start this at 10. I'm actually going to test the Zoom, so I'm going to put a really specific time of 10:05 a.m. The format has to have two numbers, colon, and two numbers. So if it's like 1 o'clock, you have to put 01. And then we're going to start these at an hour long and see how that time goes. It's going to default to LA time, so we'll go ahead and keep that since we're all on the same time zone. I'm going to put myself as the program manager. You all will put yourselves, and then you'll put in your email, and you'll really want to make sure that you're spelling this correctly because this is what it's going to send from. And then the company. These are if we do specific orientations, like some of Emily's orientations are going to be just for ESPN employees. So she's going to write ESPN employees only. If you're not doing it for a specific group, which is most of them, just leave that field blank. So you're going to go ahead and hit save. So that's it in terms of creating the club. If you refresh it after you save it, you should see the Zoom meeting information populate. Let me try that again here. I'll have to figure out why that's not working. We'll make sure to get that fixed, so don't worry about that. And then that's it. So just let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, go ahead and get started on filling out your week 3-8 and week, I think this should be the next week after that. I'll fix that date. And then as you complete them, just send me the link like this. So just select it all, command copy, and then send these in an email to me. I'll just check and make sure everything's working properly, including the Zoom information, which I'm going to look at right now. So that's it. The only difference when you go to create a family orientation, you're going to hit new and then select family orientation. I believe the layout is pretty much the same. You'll only want to title this family orientation and then put in the date. So I think that is it. Thanks, everybody.